Hey everybody, just got a notification that a package arrived. Hopefully it's what I think it is. So here we are. They came in, the peak tie rod sleeves for the 2020 Chevy Colorado ZR2. They made it up here to Alaska pretty fast. I ordered it straight directly from Peak. Let's check it out. Nice little koozie they got here. Appreciate it, Peak Suspension. These are pretty nice, well made. I like the little decals on there. It's a really simple product. You just slip this over instead of the normal tie rod nut that you would have to tighten down to the tie rod end. It just slides over the tie rod. That's been identified as a weak point in the ZR2 suspension. So this basically just slides right over the tie rod, the inner tie rod end. You tighten it down, put the outer tie rod back on, and then tighten this up just like you would the nut that tightens down, and I'll show you that a little later in the video. Let's check it out. All right, here are the tools that you'll need for this job. You'll need a 22mm socket to remove the wheel. You'll need a 21mm wrench or an adjustable wrench to loosen the nut on the inner tie rod. You'll need a 21mm socket so that you can take the nut off of the outer tie rod. You need a 14mm wrench so that you can hold the inner tie rod. You'll need a torque wrench to torque the wheel back on when you're done. You might need a hammer to knock loose the outer tie rod. And it's more of a luxury, but if you have a 1/2-inch impact to remove the wheel, it helps a lot. This is my old lady, and this is her truck, so she insisted on doing everything herself. All you have to do here is remove the outer tie rod nut, loosen the jam nut, then place the sleeve over the inner tie rod. Spin it back. When you remove the outer tie rod, you'll have to mark the threads where the outside of the jam nut goes, or count the threads up to the jam nut for installation of the tie rod sleeve. This reduces the amount your alignment will be out. Don't get me wrong, an alignment still is 100% necessary after doing this, but this just reduces the amount it'll be out until you can go get your vehicle aligned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.